This is the POCO F4. The POCO F4 has a clean look that is compact and professional. With dimensions of 163.2 by 75.95 by 7.7 millimeters and weighing 195 grams, it's light and comfortable enough to play games on it, without your hand getting cramped. It offers a high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz with its 6.67 inches E4 AMOLED screen. The display also comes with a peak brightness of 1300 nits as well as a true display and true color display feature that gives far more detail to the media played on screen. The touchscreen likewise has a sampling rate up to 360 Hz, giving it a smooth and responsive experience while scrolling through and playing games. Many modern phones come with a lens for every situation. The POCO F4 comes with 3 of them: a 64MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. The 3 of these allow you to snap pictures for any occasion, close up, further out, and they do especially well for night shots. For those that actually do know how to take photos, the phone has some more advanced options like a 4K cinematic camera with inclusions like panoramic selfie mode, AI skyscraping 4.0, and also AI erase 2.0. The device is equipped with a Snapdragon 870 chip, as well as a UFS 3.1 ROM and LPDDR5 RAM, to make sure the data is transferred at the fastest speed on the phone. The only downside we noticed is that the phone gets really hot fairly quickly when playing games at peak settings. It does have a cooling system to prevent it from catching on fire, but you'll definitely feel a mini heat patch warming your hands. Part of the reason the POCO F4 excels with gaming is thanks to an app is called Game Turbo that can be used to optimize your gaming experience. You can also alter settings for responses, accuracy, tap stability, and graphical performance. We've never been one for realistic graphics in games, but the Ultra HD graphic option the POCO F4 offers truly sets an example of what the device can do. Unfortunately, these higher graphical capabilities also fan the flames, as the phone started heating up a little too much for comfort. The phone comes with a 4500 mAh massive battery, with 67 watts turbocharging, and only takes up to 38 minutes to charge up to 100%, regardless of how much power it has left. After spending a lot of time playing games on this phone, the quick charge is very satisfying. Overall, the POCO F4 is a strong contender as a smartphone and a gaming experience that can cater to the needs of most mobile gamers. The vibrant screen and silky smooth performance make it an optional device to slash through enemies or shoot down opponents in your app of choice. If you're looking for a phone that can bring your gaming experience up to the next level, the POCO F4 is one that's worth looking out for. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.